How to fix WeChat app restriction problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your device. If it's still not working, what you can do is simply open Play Store and then search WeChat. If there is any update available in the WeChat section, simply update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. Another thing which you can do is hold on to the WeChat app in the home screen and click on app info at the bottom. After you click on app info, click on storage and cache, which is the third option. Clear cache and then click on clear storage. Press on OK. After you've done that, you can simply open WeChat and log in again and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix WeChat app restriction problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.